It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
There's two
All right.
of them.
In Canada, they have Ruffles all dressed chips. So we're gonna try those out.
Cool.
You ready to try them, James?
Yeah.
We didn't do the mouth. Put that on her, it changes her whole personality. It's like emasculating, completely bubbling.
Tastes like normal
She's like
Ruffles.
unhelpless.
Normal Ruffles? What are normal Ruffles?
That the
Normal
can't eat
flavor.
the stuff on the table.
Sour cream.
No, it's
It does like
it's
sour
called the
cream?
gentle leader.
Now it has a different flavor. It's all the
Dogs
flavors.
that pull ahead of you.
Oh, what
pull ahead,
flavors?
it turns
All the Ruffle flavors I remember. I don't know what they're called, but it goes from one flavor
But there's
to
way more
another
for
one to another one to
It
another
literally
one.
changes her.
It's like every Ruffle flavor all in one.
Everything without having to be.
What do you think of those chips, Em?
It's yucky.
Are they yucky?
Yeah.
And so you threw yours down on the ground? Because you did not like it?
What do you throw on the ground?
His yucky chip. Here, give him a try. Ruffles all dressed.
They're my favorite chips in the world.
No, those are pretty good.
What do they taste like?
It's hard to describe.
Bacon,
I think the closest thing.
ketchup.
That's
Like-
what I'm gonna cook. I want to
Ketchup
try
chip,
some.
yeah.
I want to try some.
I don't know, barbecue-y is. Oh, they're good.
Is this cooked, Daddy? Oh no. I want to.
What do you think it tastes like?
Cheddar cheese with a little bit of vinegar at the beginning.
Cheese and vinegar.
Yeah, cheese, vinegar, ketchup, barbecue. That's why they call them all dressed. It's like everything together.
James said they taste like every flavor of Lay's chips all in one.
It could be.
Like an everything bagel.
Yeah, exactly.
They're like a vinegary barbecue chip, kind of.
Vinegar barbecue.
Sometimes cheddar cheese.
Tell them what you think it tastes like. They're like, these are normal to us.
So
I think they've been around.
you take the bite, you taste a little
There
bit
was one
of
that we tried when we were in
cheddar
Ontario that was
and
really
vinegar
good. It
at
was
the
like
same time.
a marinara, mozzarella,
So it's like
something.
a kind of vinegary dip with a little bit of wheat.
It's hard to find though.
A
And
vinegary dip with wheat?
well,
My favorite chip is the Tostitos.
the chip,
They didn't have them at the Walmart.
like a plain chip, you dip vinegar in and
Is that as big of a bag?
shredded cheese in.
So vinegar cheese?
Costco
Yeah.
used to carry something similar. It was really
Alright.
good. Like they were like sea salt with lime.
Anybody else want to try? Hey, Noah. Noah, did you want to eat some and tell me what you think of them?
They're delicious.
I think I saw them.
So, and I couldn't find them
You want to
anywhere.
try
Nope.
it, Kaylin?
All right, give them a try. Give us your opinion. You've had these before, haven't you?
Yeah.
All right, but what does the flavor taste like?
Normal. Try what?
Normal. What is normal?
Cheddar cheese? Normal. I'll try. I'm done.
All dressed chips, guys.
They're good.
All right, it says,
Have you tried this?
Canada's very own. You'll enjoy this bag of Russell's all-dressed chips if you enjoy unique Canadian food. You're seeking something sweet and salty and savory all in one, and you love eating chips that will make your taste buds feel like they're going to explode. Well, there you have it. They're from specially selected potatoes. So I guess if you want them, head north to Canada.